Hey there, friend. Today's video is sponsored by Phenyx Pro, who kindly sent over this PM-26S dynamic vocal microphone for me to test. And yes, you're hearing it right now, live and unfiltered. It's got that classic all-metal design, a really satisfying feel in the hand, and the sound has been a pleasant surprise. I've been using it for everything for this voiceover. I'm going to be using it for streaming, and in today's video, I'll share my honest impressions and show you everything that comes with it. Let's dive in. Today is a really cool day. We've got the Phenyx Pro PM-26S dynamic vocal microphone. This one feels heavy, it feels nice, and it feels professional. I'm definitely looking forward to checking out this dynamic microphone. They make a couple of claims on the box here. It's got a full-bodied, bright vocal range with ease of drive, requiring less gain and strong output. Its super-cardioid pickup pattern effectively minimizes background noise and focuses tightly on the source for greater vocal precision. A wide dynamic range preserves vocal nuance, allowing for a more expressive sound. The durable all-metal construction withstands physical impact for long-term reliability with solid sound quality and robust build. It's ideal for live performances, speeches, studio recordings, and other professional audio applications. So, that's me. That's us. We're going to be live streaming with this microphone, but first of all, I get to finally open it up and see what's inside the box here. It's a cool product. This isn't the kind of, this is no trinket. This is no toy. This is a big boy product here. It feels heavy. It feels nice. Oh, right off the bat, we've got a nice little carrying case here to put the mic in. Oh, we got a nice XLR cable to go with it. That is very, very convenient. Very, very thoughtful. So we'll just put that off to the side here. Let's see what else is included. Now, I do need this because I'm going to set it up on my boom arm here on the desk. And we're going to be doing a full live stream on my Airlick Gaming channel. This is a sticker. A little sad it's a little bit twisted, but I'm probably going to put this on my computer case. I'd love to see that flat and flush. But this here, this matters much more than the sticker. This is the start of the show. The microphone, if we can get the cardboard off, nicely protected here. It's branded pouch. Well, just before we get that out, we do have a user manual with it. I mean, you plug it into XLR, you start talking. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Oh, that feels nice. That has some heft to it. This little switch here, it's not. Oh yeah. Simple, straightforward. I noticed that it was a little bit loose here, so I am going to open it up just so we can get a little look what's on the inside. Oh yeah. This has got a pop filter built right into it. This is nice. This feels good. It's also got a little bit of that foam inside the end of the microphone as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm looking forward to testing this out, trying it out. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The build, the quality of this microphone feels sturdy, stable, strong, the kind of thing that if you were on a stage singing, you would not forget that this was in your hand. It's got a beautiful vibe to it. Wonderful, wonderful, first impression. I'm excited. This is great. The thing that matters most is how it sounds, but I can tell you for sure, it feels amazing in my hand, and it gives a great first impression. I appreciate having an included XLR cable, the mount, and a carrying case. I mean, my only gripe is that the sticker's a little mangled. That is a pretty minor problem. Other than that, life is good. Thank you, Phenyx, for sending this over. right, hello there. This is the first test of the Phenyx Pro PM-26S dynamic microphone. All right, so just a quick note on setting up this mic. Honestly, it is as simple as it looks. It's got the nice little on-off switch that works just a quick little slider, and then you just plug in your XLR cable. Now, I found a little unique quirk with my setup. I've got the Elgato Wave XLR. That's the interface that I use to connect this XLR microphone to my computer. This device is able to provide 48 volts of additional power for low gain microphones, like my normal broadcast mic, but this microphone does not respond well to that additional power input. So just make sure you have that setting turned off, because I just tested it out and it does not work at all. But as you can hear, and to my ear, this sounds absolutely beautiful. I think it picks up the voice nicely, and it seems to do a very good job limiting the plosives. I tend to have quite a lot when I talk, but on listening back to this mic, I am just so impressed, and I'm actually in love with it. This is competing with the very best of the best that I've got, the Shure SM7DB, which is a very well-known and great mic, but I could go toe-to-toe with this thing, and I'm sure you'll agree. I want to give a special shout out to Phenyx Pro and the PM-26S microphone. Thank you very much to them for sending this out and for sponsoring the stream. I appreciate them very, very much. Let me know, drop a comment, how you think things are sounding today. I appreciate you all very, very much. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks again, Phenyx Pro. I love the mic, and I hope the beautiful people do. And that's the Phenyx Pro PM-26S, used for this entire video, from the sturdy metal build to the included XLR cable, mic holder, the carrying case, and even a cable tie and a sticker. It's a complete kit right out of the box. Huge thanks to Phenyx Pro for sponsoring this video and letting me share my honest thoughts with you. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, a like and subscribing to the channel really helps me grow, and I'd love to have you back for more gear reviews, creator tools, and real-world tests every week. Thank you so much for watching.